Okay, so assembling is fairly easy. On your propellers, you won't be able to see it here clearly, but there's a little indication to say A or B, and it also tells you which way to lock it, which way to unlock it. So when you put it, you have to make sure it matches with the side of the motor where there's a little indication whether it's A or B. So in my case, this is B, this is A. Assembling, again, very easy. You take your drone, you put the wing, and make sure you give a little push so that it settles down. Like right now you see a little gap, so you gotta use some force to push it all the way down. And then screws, you'll get two of them, or two different styles. One is a flat surface, and one where you'll see a little dot on top. So for A's, make sure you take the one with the little dot, and as I said earlier, it tells you which direction is to lock. So I'm gonna lock this one. Oh, sorry guys. So again, because I don't have proper lighting, it's hard for me to see. So I'm going counterclockwise to lock my first A. Moving on with the second one, where this is B. So I'll just put it in. Same thing, give it a little push so it really settles down neatly with the motor. Screw again. So to lock it clockwise, put it in. There you go. Very easy. And then you're going to follow the same process two more times. So this is A, and on the drone again, you're not seeing it here, but make sure you go to the right letter. Give it a little push, and then back to my screw. I should have had this out. So remember I said earlier, for A, the one with the dot. To lock it, I think it's counterclockwise. There you go. And finally, the last piece. Make sure, so letter B, and it is B. Give it a little push, and last step is to lock it. Now you're halfway there. We just have to insert the battery, and then start, and then you're literally ready to fly this thing. Again, I'm assembling right in my basement. Don't attempt to fly this thing till you go outside, you calibrate, and you get enough GPS signal. So the book says you have to have a minimum of 7 before you start flying. Next one is I'm going to show you guys a proper high-def video once this guy's on there to see how it's going to look like.